Welcome to the ultimate guide to investing. Best places to put your money. Your compass in the ever-evolving landscape of investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor with years under your belt or a newcomer with dreams of making your money work for you, this guide promises to unveil pathways not just to survive but thrive in the financial wilderness. Let us embark on this journey together, unlocking the secrets to building wealth and unearthing the best places your money can call home. Understanding your financial goals and risk tolerance. Delving into the realm of investing without a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance is akin to navigating uncharted waters without a compass. Your financial aspirations, whether they're geared towards purchasing a dream home, securing comfortable retirement years, or building an education fund, set the stage for crafting an investment strategy that resonates with your timeline and desired outcomes. Recognizing these objectives isn't just about plotting waypoints on your financial journey. It's about harnessing the power of precision to tailor investments that sync perfectly with your life chapters. However, this tailored approach extends beyond merely knowing what you want. It demands an intimate understanding of how much uncertainty you can comfortably weather. Risk tolerance isn't just a measure of fearlessness in facing market fluctuations. It's a reflection of your financial stability and emotional resilience. This intrinsic trait influences not only the types of investments you might lean towards but also how long you're prepared to wait for those investments to bear fruit. In essence, marrying your financial goals with an honest assessment of your risk tolerance transforms investing from a gamble into a calculated maneuver, ensuring that every step taken is both confident and informed, ushering in clarity amidst the often chaotic world of personal finance. Stocks. The powerhouse of potential growth. In the dynamic world of investing, stocks stand out as a beacon for those yearning for substantial growth. This asset class isn't just about owning a piece of a company, it's an opportunity to ride alongside corporate giants and innovative startups on their journey to revolutionize industries and everyday life. Each stock represents a chance to tap into new markets, technologies, and innovations before they become mainstream. As businesses evolve and expand, shareholders can see their investments grow exponentially, reflecting the company's success directly in their portfolios. What sets stocks apart is their unparalleled potential for high returns compared with more conservative assets like bonds or savings accounts. Yes, with greater potential comes higher risk, but it's this volatility that creates room for significant growth over time. By carefully selecting companies with strong fundamentals and clear growth trajectories, or by diversifying across sectors, investors can mitigate some risks while positioning themselves at the forefront of economic development and innovation. In essence, investing in stocks is not just about making money, it's about becoming part of the future's financial narrative. Bonds. The safe haven for conservative investors. Within the myriad of investment options, bonds stand out as a bastion for conservative investors. Their allure isn't just in their stability but also in the predictable returns they offer, acting almost like a soothing balm in times of economic unpredictability. While most investments can feel akin to riding out a violent storm, investing in bonds is more like nestling into a safe harbor. This characteristic makes them particularly appealing for the investor who values sleep over speculation. But beyond their role as financial shelters, bonds hold nuances that can invigorate even the most cautious investor's portfolio. They come with varying maturities, credit qualities, and types, government, municipal, or corporate, each carrying distinct tax considerations and yield potential. Navigating this landscape allows investors to tailor their bond investments closely to their risk tolerance and financial goals. Hence, while often dubbed as plain vanilla by enthusiasts chasing high returns, bonds offer a complex world ripe for exploration and steady growth opportunities for those willing to delve deeper. Real estate. Building wealth through property investment. Diving into the realm of real estate opens a gateway to building substantial wealth through property investment, a venture that's both palpable and profoundly rewarding. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate offers a tactile asset. It's something you can touch and improve upon directly, which adds an enticing layer of control for investors. The allure here lies not just in the possibility of capital appreciation but also in leveraging properties to generate passive income through rentals. This dual approach, appreciating assets plus income generation, is what sets real estate apart as a wealth-building powerhouse. Yet, what truly shakes up the traditional views on property investment is the burgeoning trend of investing in distressed properties to rehab and flip or rent out. Savvy investors tap into this vein, transforming dilapidated structures into desirable homes, thereby revitalizing neighborhoods and unlocking hidden economic potential, one property at a time. Coupled with strategic location selection, where growth indicators such as job market expansion and infrastructural development are positive, the possibilities for return on investment soar. Therefore, engaging in real estate isn't just about staking claims on pieces of land, it's nurturing these ventures that enliven communities and forge enduring value. Cryptocurrencies. Exploring digital asset opportunities. In the kaleidoscopic world of investing, cryptocurrencies stand out as both a beacon of promise and a domain shrouded in mystery. Far from being just digital cash or speculative investments, these virtual assets open up a novel way to think about ownership, value transfer, and access to global financial systems. As we stand on the cusp of what many call Web 3.0, understanding the potential locked within cryptocurrencies is more than an exercise in financial literacy, it's a step towards participating in the future economy. For forward-thinking investors, exploring digital asset opportunities doesn't just mean acquiring Bitcoin or Ethereum, though these giants have certainly paved the way. It involves digging deeper into the tech that underpins these currencies, blockchain technology. This immutable, distributed ledger offers not just security and transparency but also brings with it possibilities for democratizing investments through tokens representing everything from real estate to art. In this evolving landscape, staying informed and adaptive means potential rewards that go beyond mere financial gains. It's about securing a position in an increasingly interconnected and digitally driven world economy. Diversification. Balancing your investment portfolio. In the intricate dance of investing, diversification is not merely a step but a strategy to balance your portfolio across various asset classes. Think of it as creating a symphony with different instruments: stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps even cryptocurrencies, each playing its unique tune. This blend ensures that when one segment hits a sour note, declines, the melodious performance of others can sustain the overall harmony, growth, of your investment portfolio. The art lies in fine-tuning this orchestra. Too much concentration in one instrument can overshadow the rest, while too little might not make the desired impact. The digital age has ushered in fascinating avenues for diversification, stretching beyond traditional markets into realms like peer-to-peer lending platforms or crowd-funded real estate projects. Here lies an invitation to explore these emerging sectors with a careful yet curious mind, blending them into your portfolio to tap into new growth potentials while cushioning against market volatility. Such forward-thinking diversification does more than just spread risk, it opens you up to opportunities that could redefine your financial landscape. Remember, in this ever-evolving investment mosaic, being diversified isn't just about having different assets. It's about smartly positioning yourself at the convergence point of innovation and security for long-term prosperity. Conclusion. Crafting your personalized investment strategy. As we journey toward the end of our comprehensive voyage through the dynamic world of investing, it's paramount to underline that crafting your personalized investment strategy isn't just about combining various assets. It's an intimate dance with one's goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, a process akin to stitching a bespoke suit that fits only you. This customized approach ensures not just growth but harmony with your financial goals and personal peace of mind. Embrace the uniqueness of this endeavor. No two investors' portfolios should mirror each other like reflections in a lake. Instead, let yours be as distinctive as your fingerprint. Innovate by blending traditional wisdom with unexpected opportunities that resonate with your vision for the future. Remember, while guidance is golden, the courage to trust your instincts and adjust to life's ebbs and flows ultimately crafts a strategy not only successful but also profoundly yours. In doing so, you aren't just investing in markets, you're investing in yourself, and this is where true wealth lies.